what, the street or the state? And I'm like, the state. And he hung up on me. He hung up. And after that, I was just like, I'm gonna try to toughen it out here. You feel me? I went to the DMV. They accommodate a certain amount of points for you to be a resident. So I didn't accommodate those points. So because I couldn't become a resident, I didn't feel comfortable staying in that state. So I got back on the plane and I went back to California, and I moved in with my dad. And my dad ended up getting kicked out because I had mail coming to his address and his wife had Section 8, so she lost her Section 8 because of me. I got a job at this coffee shop, and I sent my daughter back to Stockton with her dad, and I slept in my car for 8 months. And after the 8th month, I got approved for an apartment.